Okay, right about now, like within the next 10 minutes, the chopper's gonna come down. They're gonna try to rescue Ben. So we'll see what's gonna happen. You got anything to say, Ben? What happened is that Ben, as soon as we got here to this waterfall here, that you can see, and he decided to go up this mountain. Okay, it's really rocky, slippery. He managed to make it all the way up there. I couldn't. I said, fuck that. So now he's up there stuck for like an hour. He realized there's no trails out there to bring him down here. So what happened is the national forest officers, they came down, called the paramedics, the ambulance, police department, and they can't bring him down. So like I said, I guess within the next 15 more minutes, a chopper's gonna come down and rescue big old Ben. We are here live. Ben's stuck up there. We got the cops. That motherfucker's in deep shit. Okay, gacho. Calculating how to get up there, save his fat ass. Crazy nigga. Don't try this at home, kids. Okay, check this out. Ben is actually coming down from the helicopter. He's over there. Right there. So in about a couple more minutes, that nigga's gonna actually land right over there. Yeah.